If I'll wait, no. Okay, student. Good morning. 8A maths class. Chapter number 2, parallel line. Now this part is totally on construction base. Means you have to draw. Last topic to draw parallel line by there are four different methods. So as per the question, two solve example and three exercise question. Total 5 diagram I want to show. To draw two parallel lines, two point three. To draw two parallel lines by through one point outside the line. One line is given and one point is given. Point is given P, line is given L. To line L, we have to draw parallel line from point P. In your compass box, there are two set square, means two triangles are given. One is longer one, that is of 90, 60, 90, 30, 60. One is shorter one, equal side. Forty-five, 90. In your compass box, geometrical set, you will find two triangles, that is known as set square. So one is longer, that is closer part is 30, 60, 90, and another one is isosceles triangle, isosceles right angle triangle. So rest of two are exactly 45, and one is 90, and means that is a half part of a square. If you will join these two, no, it will be like this. So 45, 90, 90, 45, 45. This. And this is a rectangle half piece. Whose mic is on? 30, 30, 60, 60, 90, 90. This is a half part of rectangle, this is a half part of the square. This is 30, 60, 90 set square. This is 45, 90 set square. Vaishnavi, we will open the mic now, remove them. They are disturbing. Okay, from a point we have to draw parallel line. So I will take one triangle and then second triangle. So this triangle I will put here on a line. See, this is the base. Then I will move to the point. See, now this is on a base line and point P is touching. Now another triangle. From here with this line I am moving up and down like this. So it's coming down, 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 down. Now both are touching to the point. Okay. Now you mark there like a scale, like this, and remove. And draw a straight line with the scale. So when outside point is given with the set square, you can arrange. I am drawing that set square also by lighter pen. So here there will be a one triangle here shifted, and here another triangle here shifted. So shift this triangle, then shift that triangle. Again I am showing you. Start from this base. On a line move up to P point. Now another triangle that is on this, move like this. Draw the straight line and complete the line. So like this is a first method which is given in first solved example. Second, that is first method. Then second method also they have given. Second method they have given that take a line from that point, draw a perpendicular 90 degree. Take point and draw the perpendicular. Now take another point and draw the perpendicular. From P you have drawn perpendicular on line L. So on N draw perpendicular. Now measure height, both the height same. Measure this much. So cut that much here. So this. Then this top to top point you have to join with the scale. So that is also parallel line, L parallel line M, L parallel line M. So in first example, two different methods I have given. To draw a parallel line at some distance. Now part 2. This is first. To draw a parallel line at given distance. Those who are slow learner in maths know, it is my humble request that you do this very carefully, because no formula, no calculation, nothing. Only you have to take the marks of drawing. Now it is okay. From here my frequency is full beta. So just wait sometime. No, it need around 10 to 15 seconds to maintain the upgrade frequency. Okay, so now to draw a line, what I was telling that those who are very slow learner and getting very less mark in a maths, no, they have to concentrate more on this construction type, because here you have to only draw and grab the marks. No formula, no proof, no reasoning, no calculation. Don't send message. To draw line parallel at a distance, at a particular distance. Suppose I will take as a 4 point at 4.5 centimeter. So first you draw the base line L, first line. Now parallel line you have to draw. First of all, what are the three different definition of the parallel line? Two lines which never intersect each other, two lines which never meet each other, two lines when there is no common point, two lines having the same distance at every point. These all are the definition of. Now to draw a parallel line at some distance. To draw first line, then suppose at 4 degree or 4.5 centimeter you have to draw. So from here take point and with this protractor draw 90 degree. With this protractor draw 90 degree. Now take an arc of 4.5 centimeter because you need 4.5 centimeter. Don't speak. Then 4.5, so don't change. 1, 1, then 1. Now top to top, try to join. So this is a parallel. First method. Second method is more intelligent than this. Draw one line. Now you have to draw a parallel line at 4.5 centimeter. So take 4.5 centimeter. At a 4.5 centimeter, from any point, just draw top. Two top from any two point, but the distance should be equal 4.5. Then these two top you have to join. Top. It is split piece or this one. So this will be 4.5. This also will be 4.5. This topic number 1, point is given outside the line, you have to draw the parallel. Topic number 2, one line is given, one distance is given, at what distance you want parallel line. Now third, with the angle, that is in next level. Now we will come to the question answer. These two examples are on page number 12 and 13. Solve example. Now 2.3. First, draw line L, take a point A outside. What is given? Line A, point A outside. Draw line parallel to L. Now different method again I am explaining. First method, second method, third method. Line L. Now point is given outside. Point P is given. Point P is given. Point P is given. Question is same. Three different method I am showing. Correct? Method number first. That by set square. So from here, just move up to the point. Then from this, move up to the point. See, it should touch here. So you are now observing point P only. By set square. Now you can extend the scale. So this is first method. Now second method. Again you can use this, or you can use protractor to draw 90 degree. Draw 90 degree. Another 90 degree you can draw. Now find out where P is. Here P. So just measure and here cut the same distance. It's sleepy, so it's like that. So you join these 2 points. So again it is N. This is method number 2. Here by set square. Here also I have used, but not 2 set square, only 1 set. Now this. In this chapter we have learned alternate angle. So we will use alternate angle theorem. So place this and draw any angle. Any angle. Correct? This is your P. Now measure this angle, how much? Suppose it is 30. So here take a protractor and find 10, 20, 30. Remove the protractor, this, and join this. So again you are drawing 30 degree. Here 30 degree, here 30 degree. So by alternate method, again you can draw. So this is third method. This is L, this is N. Next, draw line L. Take a point T outside. Draw a line parallel to that. Same. Line L, point T. Line L, line L, line L, point T, point T, point T. First we will use this method. Move this, move this, move this, move this up to point T. Now, from top, touch to touch, move. So this will be it should not touch to the line. Second, with this draw perpendicular, you have to adopt any one method. Second one also. Now, measure T height. So this is T, so also this is T. Means same height. If the distance between two lines is same, that two lines are said to be parallel. Then angle wise. Okay, now this angle wise. So first take an angle. Suppose it is 30 degree. Here it is P. Okay, now here also put a protractor 0, 20, 0, 10, 20, 30. So you put a point and remove after measuring. So this is also 30. This we are doing by alternate test, that is not given in the textbook. Now, distance they have given 8, 4 centimeter distance, we have to draw a parallel line. That is third question. Line L only given. Line M, parallel line, and 8 distance 4 centimeter. Again 3 method. Whichever is easy for you, whichever you are following, whichever you like most, whichever you can do very easily to get full marks, that you can adopt. It is not compulsory that you do this method. If you are lefty like me, so after putting a scale, opposite to body. If you are righty, after putting a scale, opposite to body, opposite to body, opposite to body. Single attempt, you are giving return ticket. How you draw? Suppose this is my scale. So I am lefty, I will draw like this. If I am righty, I will draw like this. But what you people are doing, this also, this also. See the difference between 3 lines. Topic number 2, next in that. If you are lefty like me, how to first handle this rounder? This thumb will be on screw. This 2 finger will be on 2 leg. This is the proper method. Don't use rest of two finger. Thumb on screw. These two are on two arms. If you are lefty like me, opposite to body, opposite. Don't this return ticket. If you are righty, your thumb is on screw. Two arms on two leg. Two fingers are on two leg. Knuckle point, pencil point, away from the body, single time, and it is perpendicular. It is not like this, not like this, not like this. This. Whatever you are writing should not touch to the figure, alphabet, measurement, centimeter. If it will touch, you will lose the mark. If you will repeat, it will think, you will cut. You will lose the mark. We will cut the mark. Correct? Three method. Three different method I am showing. At a 4 centimeter we want, no? So at a 4 centimeter, take 1 point. This is M. This is P. Take here 90 degree. Correct? Then at 4 centimeter, cut the 4 centimeter. Now at again 4 centimeter with the protractor, draw 90 degree. So this is called perpendicular to perpendicular is parallel, MN. We have drawn perpendicular to perpendicular, so it is parallel at 4 degrees, 4 centimeter distance. This is perpendicular to perpendicular. This I have completed two perpendicular on two different places. One perpendicular here, one perpendicular here. In next method, again I am taking two perpendicular method, but on same line, different place. How? Take point P, take point Q. This is M. At P, take 90 degree. At Q also take 90 degree. On P also 90, on Q also 90. Now measure this as 4 degree centigrade. Sorry, 4 centimeter. So from here, here also I have cut 4. From here also I have cut 4. That I am showing. It is like this. It is like this. Now join, this is N. Here perpendicular to perpendicular I have drawn. Here two perpendicular I have drawn and at a distance 4 centimeter. Now when line is given, when one distance is given, best example, one of my favorite method. Why you are sending your roll number and all this here in message? Omkar, you are looking very good. I know you are very good. Don't open your camera. You are so cutie. I know, Omkar Gupta, you don't open your camera. Okay, now one of the best method, one of favorite method to draw parallel line at a given distance. That I will repeat in the center also. For parallel line, you need one line that already I have drawn here. This. Now distance is given. Whose mic is on? Again some voice is coming. This side municipality workers are working, this side society workers are working, and inside this my students are working. So lots of disturbance, lots of noise. Okay, one line is needed, basic line. Then distance is given 4 centimeter. So without drawing this single perpendicular, double perpendicular, direct double perpendicular, to take 4 centimeter arc. Okay, from any one point take this, from any one point take this, from any one point take this. So it will look like single top, double top, triple top. Now you don't need to find out intersection, you have to join top to top to top. So it is top to top to top. So all these are 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter. No need to show this, but I am showing this, that is exactly. So from any two end point also you can do. Wait, suppose one line is given. From here 4 centimeter arc, from another point 4 centimeter arc. Now join this. Simple, no 90 degree, 90 to 90 degree like that. So again and again I am telling those who are very weak in maths, you adopt this method, 3-3 method which I have shown, which is easy. You just repeat my video. Why I am sending you video? That if you have missed because of this voice problem, vision problem, in my that web camera, it is very strong, that is very clear, voice is very clear. In that you will get a perfect this. So repeat it. And for slow learner student who are not getting much mark in maths, you concentrate more in the this construction part. Here only you have to draw with the pencil, scale, protractor, rounder. Very easily you can score the mark. Here no calculation, no proof, no formula. Because sometimes you are writing wrong formula, sometimes you are doing wrong calculation. So these are all cause the things. So be careful, try your best, and do practice. And whatever I complete in my lecture now, same day, you have to write in your workbook, your notebook. Suppose today I have done 2.3. So every time no need to send the message that today's homework is this, today's homework is this. Everything will not be done by intimation. मम्मी बोलती है कल 3 टाइम खाना खाने का है, सुबह ब्रेकफास्ट, दोपहर को लंच, अगले दिन बुलाए, रोज मैसेज करती है, टाइम हो जाता है बैठ जाते, पाँव फैला के मुंह खुला करके. तो दिस इज लाइक दैट. रेगुलर प्रैक्टिस इज मस्ट. So every day we will not give instruction, do this. That is means now you are higher standard, 8, 9, 10 is higher standard. You are not in primary section now up to 7. So every day in all subject, whatever completed, same day complete. So at the time of exam you will be more confident. Yes, bolo. So the face confidence and body confidence is very important in all the subject. In the interview, even if you will enter now, your face, your body shows your confidence. The opposite party will think that he is quite confident, he or she is quite confident. What was? Or ऐसे जाए. Your knowledge spoil. Your work, what you have done, very hard work, will spoil. So confidence, body language, power, your appearance should be always positive, always smiley, always energetic. आपने कभी मुझे ऐसा ढीला ढाला देखा है? ऐसा करते ढीला ढाला कभी देखा है आपने मुझे? स्कूल में भी नहीं देखोगे आप. बी काइंड। फर्स्ट डे जो एजुकेशन लाइफ में मैंने एंटर किया था 33 ईयर्स पहले, तभी भी जो एनर्जी से मैं टीच करता, आज वही लॉकडाउन में सबने रेस्ट किया। आई ऑन 108 सर्टिफिकेट फ्रॉम मार्च टू मार्च इन लॉकडाउन। बी क्रिएटिव, बी एक्टिव, डू एवरीथिंग something new. That is the beauty of life, and you will get the satisfaction of your work. Do everyday practice. Okay, bye, thank you. Host close. Close. Bye. Now my next lecture is there. Now one student is joining. Very good. Roll number 44. Roll number 44, good morning. And it's time to say good night.